Good afternoon, students. Now I am taking some educational philosophy class. Objective questions which are very important for TET. A student coughing in the exam, complaining that others copy it is. Copy it is. So some spelling mistake will be there in the book. No need to worry. That is complaining. So option A, the skill of the man identifying her personality in others. B, method to escape from the problem. C, inability to satisfy our great wants. It is called an exposing skill. So my dear students, one student is copying and he is complaining that other is doing the copy. It means that he is identifying the same personality in other person. So the answer is the skill of man identifying his personality in others. Now second question, wife getting angry with her husband and beating the child due to an angry is. Options are hiding, alternative idea, and identifying, and D is logical theory. See my dear student, anyone human being, he cannot hide it or he cannot identify the thing. Ultimately it will become an alternative idea to beat the child, to say that she is angry on you. So now moving to the next question, health of a student to escape from exam due to fear of failing in exam. This defensive technique is called, this is called as escapism, because he want to escape from the examination. So now next question, a person becoming alcoholic after losing job by taking bribe, which defensive skill it is? So this is also escapism. He want to escape from the exam. Blaming the ground, who not know to dance with the defense skill it is. So answer is constructive response. Why it is means he is making a statement, he is constructing the false things. I would like to say that he is giving a response in a wrong manner, where he is saying that he cannot do that because the particular land where he is dancing, or the particular place where he is dancing, he is saying that it is not correct. So let me say that these peoples always they give the reason, so that's why we are calling it as a constructive response. So now moving to next question, students, very important, that is which is the third contribution of Adler on personality principle, that is creative selfness. If there is a creative selfness in him, he can ultimately give the personality of various persons. So now where the father of humanitarian psychology, Maslow, born, that is in the Paris. That is a direct answer. Now next question, which of the following is natural insatiate? That is this is also a direct question. That is, we want to say that want, there is a always need of a want in the person mind to take that or to achieve that. That's where we can say that it is a want nature thing. So that's where. So next question, home art method was identified by Herman Rorschach, Bernard Ketley, Huttnall. None of these. The answer is Huttnall. So these are the direct questions, my dear students. Next questions will be explained in next video. Thank you.